I film this video every couple months, and now it's time for this version. I'm gonna be cleaning my apartment in order to get more productive. I really feel like when my space is clean, I can think better. All of a sudden, I wanna get out of bed and be productive and get things done and not waste the day. So especially for this summer, I'm trying to get motivated again, and I think that starts with cleaning my messy apartment. I always underestimate how fast my apartment gets messy, even though I just live by myself. Things pile up and I literally won't touch them because I don't care. Like when I see something start to build up, I'm not gonna touch it until I have to, like if someone's coming over or I'm filming. So it ends up being a whole day just dedicated to cleaning. So welcome to today's video. That's what we're gonna be doing. And I'm honestly excited for this. When my apartment's clean, I'm taking so much better care of my space. I hope this motivates you guys, and I'll show you guys what my apartment looks like right now. Like here is where I've been getting ready in the morning because my bathroom's too messy. So I literally do my makeup in this mirror, and my couch, which is covered in stuff. Here's my bedside table with my morning coffee and my whipped cream. Like this is all my clean laundry that I just don't want to put away in my closet. It looks really nice right there. My kitchen table, which is slowly getting cleared off. My kitchen honestly doesn't look that bad, but I need to do all these dishes. And here is my bathroom. My bathroom counter always gets dirty so fast. More clean clothes on the floor. My trash needs to be emptied, and my shower just really needs to be deep cleaned. Also, I have all these products and all of these, and a lot of them are empty. Honestly, it's not too bad. It's been way worse in the past. So I'm trying to just deep clean it now before it gets like super bad. So once I start doing it, I feel super motivated, but then as I keep going, I get really tired and overwhelmed and over it. I have to just stay consistent and in the zone. This shower was kind of the reason I wanted to film this video, so I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna decide which of my products I wanna keep in the shower, throw away, or put on these shelves. And then I'm gonna clean. These are all empty products. I don't really like this anymore. It got super rusty, which I figured it would. So I think I'm gonna take this down. Another empty one. This setup looks way cuter. I use all of these products, and there's a couple ones that are almost empty, so I'm trying to just finish those. Next, I'm literally gonna scrub the floor of my shower. Like this is gross. My hair is up and my jewelry is off. That's how you know the cleaning is getting serious. Next day, I just went to the grocery store, and I'm gonna go to the gym in a little bit, but I want to have like a really good protein healthy meal. I went to the gym yesterday, I'm going to the gym again today, and I'm feeling good, so I want to eat well and like be consistent with this. But in order to make a delicious meal, I need to clean this kitchen. It's super gross. Also, I put on press-ons. I'm wearing this tank top and sports bra, and then these shorts. This is what it's looking like in my kitchen. It just needs a lot of work right now. So I'm gonna start with the dishes because ew, and I'm gonna load the dishwasher. My kitchen looks way better. It's such an improvement. I'm so glad we got that all done. Oh my gosh, looks so much nicer. Doing the dishes and cleaning the kitchen is the absolute worst for me. I put it off every time. I hate it. So now that that's done, I feel so much better about cleaning everything else because it's not gonna be as bad as this was. I put on my headphones, watched a show, so it actually went by pretty fast. And now the dishwasher's loaded. The sink is clean. The counters are clean. I'm exhausted though. I think I'm gonna go to the gym now. I just got these protein shakes, which are coffee flavored. So I think I'm gonna go to the gym and then I'm gonna drink one of these over ice. I heard they're really good, so I'm excited. I love coffee, so can't really go wrong with this. I'm already in my workout outfit, so I'm gonna head down there right now, get a good workout in, drink one of my new drinks, and make a delish dinner in my freshly cleaned kitchen. I just finished my workout. It went super good. I'm sweaty, but I'm gonna try this protein drink now. But I wanted to give my first impression when I try this. It smells awful, by the way. It's actually not bad. Cool, okay, good. I was a little worried for a minute. I was like, oh. I was like, that does not smell like coffee. Cheers. I'm actually so tired from the gym, but I had my protein drink and I'm gonna make a nice dinner tonight. I'm gonna do my skincare now. I already washed off my face makeup before the gym because I'm not trying to work out with makeup on. And I wanna show you guys my recent nighttime routine. Today's video is sponsored by Dermatica. I have been so stressed this year, and every time that happens, it gets like taken out on my skin and I break out, especially on my cheeks and my forehead. Like this area has been breaking out so much this year. I've been using Dermatica's formula to help with my breakouts. I love this brand because it's all personalized to your skin type. You fill out an online profile and submit photos, and after that their dermatology team will come up with a formula just for you, and then you get a package like this in the mail. And you have your very own formula. So each bottle you get should last you the full month. I use like 1 or 2 pumps every night before I go to sleep for my skincare. And I love this brand because as your skin changes, so does the formula. So I keep my online profile updated so that my formula will get adjusted to how my skin is changing. Their formulas are best known to solve anti-aging concerns, to boost skin glow and reduce breakouts and acne. And it's super convenient because a free digital consultation is available 24/7. Especially since it's summer, I'm trying to like not wear face makeup. I'm so tired of putting on foundation and powder and concealer every morning. So I'm really trying to work on my skincare. I want to feel more confident in my skin. So I'm excited to show you guys this product and also use it for the next couple months. I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated on my results. So I'm just going to re-rinse my face and make sure all the makeup's off. So that will set overnight. It's a super simple routine. Usually the subscription for this formula is $24.99 a month, but you guys can use code Zhirelle for your first month free and 10% off your second month. I will have all the links in the description, so definitely check it out, and thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video. Love how as soon as I clean my kitchen, I make like the most delicious meal that requires me using all my pots and pans and cutting boards and spatula. I think that literally proves my point though. As soon as my space is clean, I feel so productive. Like tonight, cooking this meal looks so yum, and I definitely wouldn't have done that if my kitchen was a disaster. Trying to keep my apartment clean for longer. Not using a paper plate tonight. why, I just can't wake up in the morning. Even though I sleep for so long, I still could sleep for like another 5 hours. Coffee number 2 hopefully will wake me up. I had such a good dinner last night. Like my night routine was so perfect. That is my ideal productive nighttime. And tonight I have an event to go to for the brand Cetaphil. I don't know anyone who's going, so I'll be meeting a bunch of new people. So I need to finish cleaning today. I'm gonna focus on the main area in my apartment since I'm in a studio apartment. So this gets so messy, and I just emptied out that big laundry basket full of clean clothes. So now I have so much stuff to put away. I need to just go through this, put it in piles, and hang everything in my closet. Like, I mean, look at this. I just pile stuff on, and I'm kind of just accepting that at this point. I have a couple sponsorships coming up, and I've gotten a lot of packages recently. When I work with brands, I like to separate out the clothes they send me so they don't get lost in my closet before I film with them. So I'm just gonna pile stuff up on here. I think it'll help me stay more organized. Like, there's still stuff on my couch, but this is actually more organized, and I'll be needing this stuff for content, so it's nice to just have it right here. So I don't really mind it. It looks good. Also, this picture keeps falling off right here, so I'm gonna get it framed and then hang it up and like nail it to the wall because I'm so tired of like putting it back up. I'm so exhausted, but my apartment is finally clean and it looks so much better. Like, it's so much more inviting. It makes it so much easier to get up and cook something or edit my video, pick out my outfit. Like, everything is so much cleaner. Thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. So I do have that event tonight. It's in Santa Monica and they sent out Uber codes, so I'm just gonna take an Uber over there so I don't have to drive, which is nice. I'm excited. I don't really know anyone who's going though, so it'll be a lot of like networking and trying to meet people, which will be nice. It's always hard for me to get myself to go to these events when I'm just going by myself. So I just tell myself I'll stay for as long as I want to, then I'll do something fun after. So I'll probably get dinner or something, maybe boba. I'm gonna finish getting ready and I'm gonna go, but I'm so excited because I get to come home to a clean apartment, which is always the best feeling, especially like when I go on trips and I get off the fucking plane so exhausted and I come home and my apartment's clean. That's the best. I feel like cleaning up my space always helps me. It gets me in a better mood and gets me up during the day. So thank you guys so much for watching again and staying until the end. I love you guys all so much. I'm gonna put a little compilation from tonight right here. grateful for the opportunities that I get because of you guys. I really appreciate every single one of you, and I wouldn't get to do stuff like this without your guys' support, so I appreciate it so much. Thank you for staying until the end, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Bye! Mwah.